Hi guys, this is your friend ARMUD and today I'm going to show you how to install front and rear brakes in the bicycle. So here is a bicycle and you can see the slots are already given. This is what we have: the brake lever, brake grip, brake wire, both the brake shoes and the braking mechanism with the spring. For the brake lever, make sure that you get the correct one, that is the right brake lever is for the right side and left brake lever for the left side. For the brake wire, you can see there is a hammer on one side and the other side is plain. The hammer will fit in the brake lever and the rest wire will go in the fitting. So here you can see there is a hole. We insert the wire in this given fitting and it works all the way towards the front and the back end. The position, the fixing slots are already along with given in the bicycle. Just put the wire inside the hole and get it on the other end. So first of all, get the fitting straight so that it doesn't entangle the wire inside, and just slip the wire through. If you put some oil inside or lubricate the wire, this will become lot more easier. Pull the wire on the other end, and this is end of part 1. So next up, remove the handle grip with the slight movement and pulling the handle outward. So again, make sure that you get the correct grip out, that is the right grip for the right brake lever. Put the brake grip in the handle and get it on the correct angle that suits you in respect to your hand position while driving the bike. Take the hammer side, fit it in the brake grip and pull the wire on the other side. Now you are ready to fit the brake lever. You see there's a screw here. Now take the brake lever, there is a small hole given. Just fit the hammer inside this given slot and pull the wire on the other side, and now fix the brake lever onto the brake grip. There is a place given for the screw. As you tight the screw, the lever will stay in place. So as you can see, the brake wire has been installed on one end. Now adjust the brake fitting screw to your desired position. Normally keep it to the max tightness so that the wire remains stretched. Now come on the other end and stretch the brake wire to maximum so that there is no slackness. Put the the handle grip back in place. So your front part is almost ready to work. Adjust the brake lever position as it suits you. You see there it is still a bit loose because we haven't yet installed the braking mechanism. For the braking mechanism, there's a brake support, the spring and the brake shoes. So first up, fix the brake shoes in the given support and initially keep it loose so that you can adjust the angle up or down as per the required settings. So after you have placed both the brake shoes in place, so this is how you are going to put it in a horseshoe sort of type, and on the other end you can see there is a hole. The brake wire will cross through this hole and get into its place. This is a spring. Fix the spring in the given part. There you can see this screw. So this is how you are going to put the spring and the braking mechanism in place, as I am doing it here. After you have placed the brake support, adjust the spring so that it holds both the brake support in position and rests on the given screw. So for now the braking mechanism is quite loose. Now we're going to put the wire in after fitting it at its place. Take the wire. As I've already shown you, there is a slot given on the rear end of the brake support. Stretch the wire to its maximum capacity, pass it through that given slot, and on the lower end there is a screw with a hole. So as you open the screw, you can find out the hole. Just put the wire in that hole. Okay, after you are done with that, pull the wire again in a fashion that the brake sets that gets close to the wheels, and you can adjust the wire up and down so as to make the brake harder or softer. Now adjust the brake shoes at a position where it touches the rim and not the wheel. So you can move it up and down. In some cases it's either sideways as per the brake set that you have. So just move it up and down and get it in place so that when the brakes are applied, it touches the rim and not the wheel. So here goes. As I have fixed okay, now you see that the brakes are in place. To make it loose or hard or softer, you need to pull the wire. In some other type of brake sets, they may be bit different. So this is the tightening mechanism. Here you can see the brake shoes and the brake wire coming all the way from the front handle. The installation mechanism is bit different, but the basic technique works the same way.